This fat now we are going to emulsify that and get the nice nano fat, which we are going to inject in various facial areas. For this patient, we are going to inject in the cheek and the under eyes, and we can use the same fat for any area of the face like forehead, temples, upper lip, lower lip, cheek, lips, chin, and sometimes nasal dorsum also. Okay, so this is very good, and the best part of this is, since it's the nano fat which is extracted from the patient's own tummy, so the chances of rejection is very negligible, and it is very biocompatible also. It's a very safe procedure. It is done under local anesthesia, no need of any general anesthesia for that. Okay, now in another 15-20 minutes this fat will be ready. It will be converted into a nano fat, which is also called as micro fat. We're going to inject into the under eyes because patient has a lot of hyaluronic and under eyes, and we're going to inject on the cheek as well. Okay, thank you.